How are you? Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, our topic is information technology. Information technology (IT) is the use of computers to create, process, store, retrieve, and exchange all kinds of data and information. IT forms part of information and communication technology (ICT). An information technology system (IT) system is generally an information system, a communication system, or more specifically speaking, a computer system, including all hardware, software, and peripheral equipment operated by a limited group of IT users. Although humans have been storing, retrieving, manipulating, and communicating information since the earliest routing systems were developed, the term information technology in its modern sense first appeared in a 1958 article published in the Harvard Business Review. Authors Harold J. Leavitt and Thomas L. Wechsler committed that the new technology does not yet have a single established name. We shall call it information technology (IT). Their definition consists of three categories: techniques for processing, the application of statistical and mathematical methods to decision making, and the simulation of higher order thinking through computer programs. The term is commonly used as a synonym for computers and computer network, but it also encompasses other information distribution technologies such as television and telephones. Several products or services within an economy were associated with information technology, including computer hardware, software, electronic semiconductors, internet, telecom equipment, and e-commerce. Based on the storage and processing technologies employed, it is possible to distinguish four distinct phases of IT development: pre-mathematical 3000 BC, 1450 AD, mechanical 100 1450 and 1814, electromechanical 1840 to 1940, and electronics 1914 to present. Information technology is also a branch of computer science which can be defined as the overall study of procedure, structure, and the processing of various types of data. As these fields continue to evolve across the world, the overall priority and importance has also grown, which is where we begin to see the introduction of computer-based related courses in K-12 education. Ideas of computer science were first mentioned before the 1915s under the MIT and Harvard University, where they had discussed and began thinking of computer circuits and numerical calculations. As time went on, the field of information technology and computer science became more complex and was able to handle the processing of more data. Scholarly articles began to be published for different organizations looking at early computing. Alan Turing, J. Presper Eckert, and John McLeod were considered to be some of the major pioneers of computer technology in mid-1900s, giving them such credit for their developments. Most of their efforts were focused on designing the first digital computer. Along with that, topics such as artificial intelligence began to be brought up as Turing were beginning to question such technology of free time period. Devices have been used to aid computation for thousands of years, probably initially in the form of telesticks, The Antikythera mechanism, dating from about the beginning of the 1st century BC, is generally considered to be the earliest non-mechanical analog computer and the earliest non-Garrett mechanism. Comparable Giroud device did not emerge in Europe.